Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Minute. In today's episode, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the August EP650 Bluetooth headphones. Now, the unboxing experience is nothing special, but hey, it's simple. Inside the box we get two manuals, a micro USB for charging, the headphones themselves, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Now, the EP650 feature Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, an NFC-ready chip, a 220 mAh battery that claims up to 15 hours of battery life, and two 6mm drivers. On the bottom of the headphones, we get a micro USB port for power and a 3.5mm auxiliary input. This sounds all well and good, but none of these fancy features matter if the quality of the product is bad. And while the EP650 doesn't feel incredibly premium, it doesn't feel super cheap either. The ear cups are more than big, and the included padding on the sides and the top of the headband make for a very comfortable experience. Now on the side of the device we get volume as well as track controls. To pair the headphones, all you have to do is press and hold the play pause button and the headphones will automatically go into pairing mode. So then, how's the sound? And for these particular headphones, it's very middle of the road. The highs are pretty crisp enough and the lows do the job adequately. Where these headphones really excel are in the mids. However, out of the box the headphones are a little treble heavy, and the bass is good but not great. Now that might sound like these headphones have poor sound quality, but on the contrary, these headphones are actually quite good. Now you're not going to get any amazing results like you would have the Bose or Sony headphones, but for the average everyday user, the sound quality is just fine. What then don't I like about the EP650s? And fortunately, not a lot. The only thing that really bothers me is the large blue LED on the side. When the device is paired, this light will continue to flash until turned off. Now this isn't a huge deal in the daytime, however at night it can be a bit frustrating. Okay, so now we know that these headphones are fully wireless, feel good, and sound pretty decent. What about the price? Now this might just be the kicker. The August EP650 retail for $50. But sometimes you can find them for around $30. Given this low price point, I would say that these headphones are a solid buy. Again, you're not going to hear anything amazing, but if you're looking for some comfortable, somewhat stylish, Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones, these will do the trick just fine. Well, that seems to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. It's free. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more episodes like this one. Feel free to comment down below and tell me what you would like me to review next. And until next time, peace.